Chery's premium global offensive has officially spawned an absolute luxury giant designed to make established European and Japanese brands look vastly overpriced. Freshly launched on the global stage is the absolute pinnacle of the brand's lineup. This is the all-new 2026 Omoda 9 SHS, packing a heavy-hitting, triple-motor super hybrid system that makes more power than an Audi S3 or a Volkswagen Tiguan. This flagship crossover combines ultra-luxurious, Mercedes-style interior vibes with sports car acceleration. Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today, we are tearing down the production specs of this premium hybrid powerhouse to see if it's the ultimate family hauler. Visually, the Omoda 9 demands absolute attention with an incredibly premium wide-set athletic posture. It stretches 4,775 millimeters in length, sits 1,920 millimeters wide, and rides on a generous 2,800 millimeters. Wheelbase giving it a footprint that targets the mid-to-large SUV space. Up front, a borderless diamond-cut matrix grille creates a clean, futuristic face, flanked by sharp, cutting-edge LED headlights. The side profile stays incredibly smooth thanks to flush, mechanical door handles, and massive standard 20-inch alloy wheels, hiding a bright pop of color from factory-painted sport red brake calipers. What completely sets the Omoda 9 apart from mainstream family hybrids is its raw mechanical violence when you mash the throttle. Under the hood lies a high-efficiency 1.5-liter four-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine paired with a highly sophisticated triple electric motor all-wheel drive layout. We are talking dual electric motors spinning the front axle and a dedicated 175 kilowatts motor locking down the rear. When toggled into sport mode, the total combined system output leaps to a staggering 395 kilowatts, that's over 530 horsepower, and a massive 700 to 915 newton-meters of torque. Rocketing this 2.2-ton fortress from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.9 seconds flat. Priced from around 48,990 euros or $61,990 a UD, the 2026 Omoda 9 SHS represents a massive disruptive value play, backed by a commanding 8-year unlimited kilometer factory warranty. Chery has delivered an incredibly fast, highly refined luxury machine wrapped in an upscale package. Would you drive this 530 horsepower, triple-motor hybrid flagship over a traditional European premium SUV? Let us know down in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe to DRX Automobi, and we'll see you in the very next breakdown.